So what the hell is local SEO, and why the hell do you even care, and why should you spend time? Why should you spend money? And can you do it on your own, or do you have to hire an agency to do it? Or what's it going to take to be able to really truly build a presence online? How do I get my business found? And should I just pay for ads and make the quick fix, and will that be cost effective? My answer is local SEO is organic. Local SEO doesn't cost you anything. You can go do it on your own. You can do it for free. You can log into every single platform out there, and you can provide the same information over and over again. Make sure that you have it consistent. Make sure that it is in the right place. Make sure that everything matches, because that consistency is going to help your business be found. Or you can come to a platform like Simply Be Found. Simply Be Found is a marketing tool for your business. It makes it simple for you to provide your information to us once, and we make sure that it's updated everywhere. So if your information changes, you don't have to log into 10, 20 platforms, 5 or 6 platforms, whatever your strategy is for your business. So instead of doing ads, I talked to a member the other day. He was currently spending about $40 to $50 per click. I've heard people talking that they're spending over $100 per click on ads right now. And with local SEO, you don't have to do that. You spend about 5 to 10 minutes per day if you're using a platform like ours. You log in, you provide the information, you follow your to-do list. You might send a support ticket over to us for some help, or ask any questions. You get coached and guided through. If you're on the premium plan, which then gives you that ability to lower yourself to a lower plan when you figure out what you want to do, and you put a good strategy, or you put a good habit together for doing your local SEO. So instead of spending money on ads, instead of spending money on an agency, I mean, I've talked to people who spend anywhere between $500 and $5,000 per month to have an agency do the work. Now I've owned agencies. I've owned multiple agencies since 2008. I've been in the marketing space since 1995. And it took us more time for the business owner to spend with us, for us to learn about their business, and we still got it wrong probably 70% plus of the time. And how many of you had that happen, where you spent time with an agency and they still got it wrong and said the wrong message, and they put it out there? Most of the time you said, oh, screw it, I'll just leave it up there. I don't have time for this. Well, it took us just as much time to work with the person as it does for you to log in and do it yourself. It takes just as much time for you to log in to do your own marketing as it would to work with that agency to do it. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes per day, or about an hour per week on average for all of our members. So when you bring local SEO into your small business and you start doing your own marketing, because you can, especially if you are scared of it, sign up for the top package, work your way down. Or if you start off in the middle package, you get the voice search and everything in there. You get all the networks. It's not just Google. Start out where you're comfortable and what you want to be able to do, because you can do your own marketing. We're here to be able to help you every step of the way. Simply Be Found makes it simple for you to be able to do your own marketing today. Don't listen to these voice search registration calls that are coming in. Most of them are scams that are coming through. You don't have just a one-time registration. And please, if somebody knows how to do that, contact me. Tell me I'm wrong. I would love to be proved wrong on that. But as far as I know, you have to do local SEO to get voice search. So make sure you're following those steps. Do what you have to. Take some investment and put it into your business. You're gonna put a little bit of money by buying a software like ours, and a little bit of time, but you can do it. It'll take you just as much time as if you're working with an agency, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper to be able to do. So think about that the next time you are thinking about doing local SEO and looking at being able to how you're going to find more local customers. Remember, when you're doing local SEO and you have customers finding your business, they're actively looking for the products and services you sell. I don't care if you're a dentist, I don't care if you are an auto repair facility, or if you are a home service provider or a mortgage provider. It doesn't matter what kind of business you are. If you serve a local market, local SEO will work for your business. Let us know any questions you possibly have about that, but check us out, simplybefound.com.